planted these things?
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. I'm Jesi. Today I'm going to show you how I'm going to put up my arched trellises for my melons, cucumbers, and squash. Hey, and if you're new here, welcome. I hope you stick around. Join me in the comments. We are full blown in the gardening season and this garden is blowing up, so be sure to ring the bell so you don't miss what I have coming next. I am a work from home, homemaking, homeschooling mom of two, and I like to share everything simple, economical, and I hopefully encourage you somewhere along the way, because if I can do it, trust me, you can do it. Little side parenting note, I have this app on my phone that controls the screen time on my kids, so I know my son is reaching his screen time, so I'm going to go ahead and shut him off from the garden. In this clip here, I just could not edit it out. It is too funny. You gotta just watch. And then he walks away while I'm still talking. But we used 6-foot T-posts. Now per arc, we had 2 6-foot T-posts and 1 cattle panel. We used the 16-foot by 4-foot cattle panels, and then just some general construction or plumber wire, whatever, just regular wire, if you will. Just using pliers to tie that on and twist. Now you can use heavy duty zip ties. We've done that before. Our T-posts across from each other are 4 foot. So, and then we just place these 2 arcs right next to each other for the melons. And when it comes to these melons, they're going to go up, and when they are about the size of my hand, I will then make a hammock for them to hang. So we'll have nicely shaped, beautiful melons, and I cannot wait. So be sure to ring the bell so you don't miss that. Also, we just posted our bean trellis video as well, so be sure to catch that too. There's Adley Grace. She loves helping in the garden. I am so thankful for her. And I'm just looking at this teepee. This is where I have my cucumbers planted, and I'm just got to thinking. Decided to take this teepee out, and we're going to go ahead and arc both rows of cucumbers. Let's see how crooked my rows are. They're a little crooked.
Was you drunk when you planted these things?
I mean, I was listening to my Homemaker Chic podcast.
Have you been in your clean line?
And since these rows of cucumbers were so crooked and a bit wider, we decided to do the width as 5 foot on these 2 arches. And you know, actually we like this look better. It was a little more natural and not so, I don't know, high up. Just a nice arch. So I think next time we're just gonna do 5-foot arches. There they are. I hope you found this simple way of getting your arch trellises very helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up, share us with your friends, and we'll see you again next time.